What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil on a diesel truck. My truck right now is asking me to change the oil, so I thought this is the perfect opportunity to show you guys how it's done. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Alrighty guys, so this is what you're going to need to get this job done. You're going to need 3 of this 10W30, which is diesel. So you're going to need like 3 buckets of those. And also you're going to need a filter. If you go to Walmart and you get the Walmart special, you should get the PH10890. This truck right here is a 2017 Ford F250 Lariat, and it has the 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. So yeah guys, so you're gonna need like I said, 3 buckets of those. The remaining are right here. And also do yourself a favor and get yourself one of this. It's going to come really handy when you're changing the filter. Alrighty guys, so this is my setup that I got right now. So you might want to get yourself one of this. They sell it at Walmart. I believe I bought it for like 30 bucks, $25-30. And this is 16 quarts. And in between these 3 bottles, it says that they are 5 quarts a piece. So it's about 15. So we should be good. Also, get yourself some gloves just in case. So I guess let's go. Alright, you guys ready? Woohoo! Whoa, whoa, no, no! Come on. Well, that's not good. All right, guys, so you see now the oil is leaking to the pan, and I'm just gonna wait until that thing gets empty. And you see this mess, I kind of missed my calculations. That was the whole point of me painting this floor black, was because I knew I was gonna make little mistakes like this. So I'm glad I went with black, so this over time will fade. So I'm not really worried about it. I'm just gonna put like some dry oil and we should be fine. But yeah, guys, so for right now, it's just there. So I'm gonna grab the other tool and get the filter off. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get dirty. Oh no! 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 Oh crap! Okay, it's not a good day right now. It's definitely not a good day. Oh my god! I got it off though. Man, what a freaking mess over there. Alright, so I look in my garage for a dry oil, and I don't have it because I never bought one. So what I'm gonna do, just use this mechanic towels, paper towels. So yeah, that's the only thing I can think of because I don't have dry oil. I'm gonna have to stop at Home Depot. I don't know, maybe later today, and make sure that this thing gets taken care of, because you know, this is a little windy today, but this is like part of the process. So yeah, guys, so I'm not going to cut this off. I want to show you everything, because not everything is just nice and beautiful. Sometimes, you know, things doesn't go as planned. If you're trying to do your oil by yourself, you know, this is the kind of things you're going to have to go through in the beginning. Maybe in the future you master how to do this, but for right now, you know, that's how you learn, by making like little mistakes. All right, guys, so what I just did here, I just hand tied the bolt right there. When you screw that bolt back in, make sure you tie, but not too much, because you don't want to damage the bolt. And also, I just put that filter right there, and I just hand tie that thing. And I just use that tool right there to make sure that it's a little bit tight, but not too tight. But yeah, so now let's go ahead and add the oil. Guys, so changing the oil was definitely a first time for me and a great experience, so I'll take that as a win. Now that I'm here at the truck and the oil has been changed, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to turn the truck on and I'm going to reset the oil. And also, when I'm here, I did notice that the coolant is a little bit low. Let me show you. All right, so you see you have a max and a minimum, and the coolant is supposed to be here and it isn't. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add some coolant, and I'm going to wash this truck. Since I'm already dirty, might as well just wash this truck, make it presentable, and let's go for a ride. What do you guys think? I think I should do that. Alrighty, so now we're talking. Now we have coolant up to the line, so that is perfect. All right, so now that I'm here, I'm noticing that my DEF is pretty low. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add more DEF right now. So that's how you refill DEF. Some people don't like it. I don't mind it. It's good for the environment. Yes, I need the ladder. guys, so it's actually the next day here, and check it out. It turned out pretty amazing, man. I love this truck so much. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take this thing for a spin. Woo! Oh my goodness, guys. So look, they got little ones. Look, 1 and 2. That's crazy. I told you, they're always in my property. I'm not kidding. And they had 2 little babies. That's beautiful. Alrighty guys, so I'm back at the house and that was fun. I love my truck so much, as you can see. So guys, that is how you change the oil on a diesel truck, and a little bit of maintenance, at least on this 2017 Ford F250. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop your like. That tells me that you like what you see and you support the channel. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.